Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about maximizing your Amazon sales with localized marketing and UGC. Let's get into it. When it comes to scaling Amazon sales, especially across international markets, two of the most effective strategies right now are localized marketing and user-generated content, or UGC. These aren't just nice-to-haves anymore. They're crucial parts of a successful Amazon growth strategy. A common mistake many sellers make is assuming that a great product and a translated listing will automatically succeed in a new marketplace. But in reality, each Amazon region has its own customer behaviors, preferences, and expectations. Simply translating a US listing for Amazon Japan or Germany, for example, often leads to poor conversions. Not because the product is bad, but because the marketing doesn't match the local culture. Localized marketing means more than just translation. It means working with local experts who understand the language, the tone, the consumer mindset, and even the cultural context, including things like color symbolism, photo styling, and preferred shopping values. All of this shapes how customers perceive your product, and when the listing feels tailored to them, it creates trust and increases conversion significantly. Now let's look at user-generated content. In today's market, UGC performs better than most polished brand videos. That's because shoppers want authenticity. They want to hear and see real people using a product, not just a professional actor in a commercial. With platforms like TikTok Shop, creators are now more open to making content in exchange for free products and commission. That means even small brands can collect powerful video testimonials without having to spend thousands up front. The best part is that this content isn't limited to TikTok. With permission, it can be repurposed for Amazon video ads, brand storefronts, email campaigns, or even other platforms like Instagram and Facebook. There are also unexpected success stories that show just how effective UGC can be. One example involved a product that usually sold just a couple of units per day. Then, a creator made a simple video that mentioned the product in passing, and it went viral. That one video drove over 1 million views and completely sold out the inventory within days. The video wasn't even high quality, but it was authentic, and it resonated. This is why the focus should be on quantity and experimentation. Collect as many pieces of UGC as possible, test them across different platforms, and see which ones perform best. Some will flop, but others can significantly drive up your visibility and sales. To make this strategy scalable, it's important to systemize influencer outreach. Having a virtual assistant or outreach team message potential creators, coordinate sample delivery, and follow up on content rights can save a lot of time. It also helps overcome one of the biggest challenges on TikTok right now, the difficulty of getting replies from creators due to the sheer volume of messages they receive. In summary, by localizing your listings and marketing content for each target audience, and by actively building a bank of authentic user-generated content, your brand can grow faster, build stronger trust, and significantly increase conversions across all Amazon marketplaces. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you rethink your strategy when it comes to growing your presence on Amazon. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.